Foods that can actually make you look younger. As we age, the foods we eat can greatly affect our fitness, appearance, quality of life, and disease risk. Our bodies rely on various nutrients to support the natural aging process. Certain nutrients may help slow the signs of aging, for example by promoting healthy skin. Adding nutrient-rich foods to your diet can help you look and feel better as you age. Let's take a look at these 10 super nutritious foods that promote healthy aging. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds contain types of antioxidants called lignin, which help fight free radicals in the body. Plus, they're rich in an omega-3 called alpha-linolenic acid, which supports healthy skin membranes. According to research, women who consumed flaxseed or flaxseed oil for 12 weeks reported increased moisture and smoother skin. 2. Extra virgin olive oil. It is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage caused by an imbalance of free radicals in the body. Several studies have shown that a diet high in monounsaturated fats can help reduce skin aging thanks to the powerful anti-inflammatory effects of these healthy fat. One study found that people who ate a diet high in monounsaturated fats from olive oil had a lower risk of severe skin aging. Choose cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil because it has more antioxidants and is less processed than oils extracted by other methods. You can try adding it to a salad. 3. Collagen peptide. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. In particular, it is found in large quantities in the skin and joints. As we age, our bodies start to break down collagen and produce it less efficiently. This can lead to advanced signs of skin aging, such as wrinkles and sagging skin. While this process is inevitable and a natural part of aging, eating foods that promote collagen synthesis can help keep your skin healthy for longer. These include foods rich in protein and vitamin C. Avoiding activities like tanning and smoking so as to speed collagen breakdown. 4. Green tea. The polyphenols found in green tea may help reduce external skin aging caused by environmental aggressors like the sun and pollution by scavenging free radicals before they damage the skin. In fact, many skincare products contain green tea extract for antioxidant and anti-aging benefits. A diet rich in antioxidants has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic disease and healthier skin. Drinking green tea can be a great way to add more antioxidants to your diet. 5. Pomegranate. They are rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin K, which contribute to heart health. They are also rich in antioxidants such as flavonols, tannins, phenolic acids, and lignans. Studies show that the antioxidants found in pomegranates can also help promote healthy skin aging by reducing UV skin damage and dark spots caused by sun exposure. These antioxidants also help protect existing collagen in the skin and promote the skin's production of new collagen. 6. Vegetables. Many vegetables are also rich in carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lycopene. Some studies suggest that a diet rich in carotenoids may protect the skin from the sun's UV rays, the main cause of premature skin aging. Some of the best sources of beta-carotene are carrot, pumpkin, and sweet potato. Many vegetables are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C also plays an important role in collagen production. Try to eat at least 2 vegetables at every meal and always protect your skin with sunscreen. 7. Avocado. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals essential for good health. Their high monounsaturated fat content can help promote healthy skin by supporting healthy skin membranes, while their high antioxidant content can fight free radicals that damage and age the skin. With the delicious taste and versatility of avocados, adding them to your diet is an easy way to get extra nutrition for healthy skin. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes offers many impressive health benefits, many of which can be attributed to their high lycopene content. Studies in human skin samples suggest that lycopene may also provide significant protection against the sun's harmful rays. Combining tomatoes with healthy fats, such as olive oil or avocados, significantly increases the body's absorption of lycopene. 9. Dark chocolate. It is a rich source of polyphenols like flavonols, which act as antioxidants in the body. It has been shown that a diet high in flavonols and other antioxidants can help protect skin from sun damage and slow skin aging, while also improving skin elasticity and facial wrinkles. The higher the cocoa content, the higher the flavonol content. Therefore, if you want to add dark chocolate to your diet, choose one that contains at least 70% cocoa and is low in sugar. Lastly, we have fatty fish. This is a very nutritious food that can promote healthy skin. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids are associated with a strong skin barrier and can help reduce inflammation that damages the skin. Salmon, one of the most popular fatty fish, has additional aspects that can contribute to your skin health. Salmon and other fatty fish are high in protein, which is important for your body to produce collagen and elastin. These two molecules are responsible for the strength, fullness, and elasticity of the skin. Eating protein also promotes wound healing. Fatty fish is rich in selenium, which is a mineral and antioxidant that plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair, and may help minimize and prevent skin damage caused by UV rays. Having enough levels of selenium in the body can reduce the severity of skin conditions like psoriasis. The foods you eat can play an important role in the health of your skin, including how your skin changes as you age. In particular, foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants have been linked to the most skin benefits. In addition to eating a nutritious diet rich in whole, plant-based foods, consider protecting your skin with other habits, such as being physically active, wearing sunscreen, avoiding smoking, and staying healthy. I wish you the best of health. I love you. Remember to subscribe, like, or comment. See you in the next video.